Hi, this is Smriti from Simply Crafted for Handmade today. Hello everybody, let's learn how to make this beautiful home decor item today. So, the materials are as follows. So of course we need a MDF tray. Craft Angle has this beautiful small little MDF tray which is apt for this project. Then I've also used beads to apply it on the base to create a standee. So this stands very well and it does not spoil the base. For the papers, I've used Craft Angle's Colors of India for the sides. These umbis that you see. Yeah, this is from a paper pack called Colors of India, and this is the paper that I have used on the sides. And then the transfer sheets that I have used is Ganpati Bappa. It's a beautiful transfer sheet. And the colors, I've used pale daffodils, tomato red, and of course decoupage glue and decoupage varnish. So come, let's start. So to start with, I will apply gesso or gesso on the MDF tray from Craft Angles. After it has dried, then I will use pale daffodils for the base. I will apply it nicely, completely, and once the first coat is dry, then I will apply a second coat over it. Once my second coat is dry, I will take tomato red and I will paint the sides. I will paint the inside completely and the edges and the back of the tray. I will also apply a little bit on the edges but then leave the front edges because I will be doing decoupage with paper over there. So I will do it inside, on the edges, a little bit on the outside edges and the back side of the tray completely. By the time my tray is drying, I will cut the papers. So I have taken this paper from Craft Angle's paper pack called Colors of India. It is a fabulous paper pack. Using the decoupage glue from Craft Angles, I will apply on all the sides and sand the sides extras if there is any. I will repeat this process on all the 4 sides of this tray so that my tray is ready. Now that we have done the sides, let's decorate the inside, the center of the tray. So I'm going to use this particular image of Ganpati Bappa, and this is a transfer sheet. So it is such a easy peasy job. But moreover, what I really like is the crispness of the design. This is fabulous. So just take off the protective layer, press it down nicely wherever you want your image to transfer. After pressing it down properly, just apply water from the back. Once the water is soaked, now your tip over here is that you should be able to see the image. Once you can see the image and the water has completely soaked the paper, that is when you need to slide and take it off. And just look at this beauty. Just dab off the excess extra water and that is it. Once dried, your product is ready. Now all you need to do is apply a layer of glue again, the decoupage varnish glue. Sorry, not the decoupage varnish glue, the decoupage glue. Apply it, and since this was a smaller surface and I wanted to give the evenness, I applied decoupage glue all over the surface just to give a little even tone. Once this is dried completely, that is when I will varnish. Yes, so you can see my product is completely dry and I'm applying varnish. I will apply varnish everywhere on the front and the back. Now that the front is dried, I will apply varnish on the back side as well. I have mixed a little glitter in my varnish because I really like a little bit of tingling effect here and there, and the glitter really helps. So you can also do the same if you like. If you like, you can use plain varnish also. And ta-da! My product is ready. I hope you really enjoyed it and hope you really liked it. Please do comment and share this product and let me know how did you like it. Bye! See ya!